So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a great day! What a great moment! Happy Gandhi Jayanti! Happy Gandhi Jayanti! Today is 2nd October 2020, and 2nd October is the day of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji stood for so many things. Even in Corona times, Mahatma Gandhi ji's message is more relevant, ladies and gentlemen. So, embrace nature, cleanliness is next to godliness, service before self, eat less, fast for stomach, give stomach the rest, and walk daily. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mahatma. We are very fortunate that Mahatma Gandhi walked on this earth in India. That's what Albert Einstein told around 100 years back. But ladies and gentlemen, Mahatma, the biggest message that Mahatma gave was non-violence and service before self. You know that, and he told Mahatma Gandhi, before we have the political independence in India, we should have the independence and azadi from dirt and filth. So cleanliness is the next to godliness, and we should not just have any ego, and we should not have any hesitation when serving the poor and the downtrodden. That was the message of Mahatma Gandhi. And of course he told, just practice fasting at least 1-2 times during the month. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, he just told, your need should not be above your greed. Eat less, eat what your body needs, what your body and your needs, and just don't be after the greed only. Greed should be suppressed, and you should go as per your need. And then he embraced nature, ladies and gentlemen. In this Corona times, when the whole world is infested with the Corona pandemic, Mahatma Gandhi told that embrace nature and naturopathy. Dig deeper and find out, ladies and gentlemen. And at the same time, immunity booster is walking, jumping, talking, running. All these things are immunity boosters besides the naturopathy, Ayurveda and yoga. Thank you very much, God, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi Day, Mahatma Gandhi birthday. Thank you. God bless.